Welcome back to Max Reaction. How are you doing today? Having a great day. Hopefully you're having a positive day. Let me know how you're doing down below. Let me know how you and your family are doing down below. I'd like to know. Anyway, we're going to check out some Mikey Bustos. It's been a while since we reacted to Mikey Bustos. He's very talented, very funny, very good person. He has positive outlooks on life, and I love watching his vlogs, and he makes awesome parodies. So this one's called Coronavirus Parody, Stupid Cough, Lady Gaga, Stupid Love Parody. So let's check it out. I'm sure he's going to put a lot of humor into it, but I'm sure he's going to bring awareness into it as well, because that's what Mikey Bustos does. There's always a mission and a side of his videos, whether it be a vlog, whether it be a parody, whether it be whatever. So let's check it out. Let's do this. I love Mikey Bustos' attitude.
I am now a total germaphobe.
Yes.
Everywhere.
Let us not. Clean it off. Good awareness. I got a story about a cough. I'll tell you a little bit later. No cough.
Now it's time to stop this from spreading.
Stop it.
Cover stays in your sleep. Stay at home if you can. Don't give this virus chance to breathe. Gotta cancel your cruise. Better check your fluids too.
Cancel the cruise. You don't need that toilet paper. Filipinos don't need it anyway. I love my Asians.
I'm Filipino.
Where's your mask? Bring the vaccines. CCP virus. It's allergies. Look at the group of people in public. Why can't we do that? Gotta social distance though, for now. Oh, more. I almost turned it off.
Mikey, come on.
Don't let them in the house, Mikey. We got a social distance. What a fun video, but a serious video, because it, is teaching you, Wash your hands, wear the mask, social distance, do all those things that need to be absolutely done so we can get past this. That way we can be in our groups again and enjoy each other's company. Absolutely like it. I thought it was pretty funny that he was also drinking a Corona on the couch when he was singing about the coronavirus. But It's all I expected out of Mikey was this, and he did not fail like always. He's a mad genius at entertainment. Anyway, those are my thoughts, my feelings, my reactions. What are your thoughts, feelings, reactions? Oh, I was going to tell you a story about a cough. When this stuff was first getting going in the United States, and they were just announcing there's cases here and there, I went to the store, and I had allergies bad, so I was coughing a lot, and I got into the store, and I felt a big cough coming on, and I'm like, oh no, I don't want to be around people when I do that, because they're just going to be staring at me really strange, you know. So I find an aisle in the store where there's nobody, and I'm walking down it, and I release my cough, and at the same time, a lady pushing a cart started coming this way, seen me cough, and she stopped dead in her tracks, and she backed up, and then kept going. She like ran away from me, and I thought it was pretty funny. I knew, you know, pretty much knew it wasn't COVID-19, coronavirus, CCP virus, whatever you want to call it, but the thing I was trying to avoid happened. I didn't want anybody around me when I coughed because I didn't want that reaction, and guess what? I still got that reaction. What can you do? What can you do? I don't know. Anyway, like I said, let me know what you think about Mikey and this song. I thought it was appropriate. I thought it was good. I thought it was entertaining and educational as well. But, you know, we all know what to do now by now. We've all seen what we need to do. Wear a mask, wash hands, stay away from people for now. It sucks, but it's what we need to do to keep our loved ones that work on the front line safe. And I'm all about keeping our loved ones on the front line being safe. Like my wife, she's on the front line now. She just ended her maternity leave, and today was her first day back at working at the emergency room in the hospital. So she's out there front line. And a lot of your loved ones are too, because we all know how many Filipinos are nurses and doctors and OFWs helping other countries out. And I just want to, you know, for not only my country, but for all the countries that all these nurses and doctors go to, I want to say thank you for it. Not just in my country, but for all countries. And I think every country should do that, because they're putting their life on the limb for people that's not even from their own country, but for humanity. And that's the way we need to look at it. We need to save humanity. We need to save as many lives. And we need to get past this so we can enjoy all the freedoms that we're used to, as far as traveling where we want to go, eating out where we want to, hanging out with friends, all the entertainment stuff, the big crowds and stuff. And so I can go back to the Philippines. Because we were supposed to go back to the Philippines in like 1 month. And now it's delayed. We can't go. They won't even let people in the Philippines right now. And I fully support that, because we don't need to bring people in, out, bring viruses in, carry viruses out, or, you know, not in just the Philippines, but any country. So I support it, even though it sucks. And I was looking forward to our annual Philippine trip to see friends, family, and maybe some of you. But I did push it back. I pushed it back to November. And I don't even know if we'll be through this to where borders are open then in November. Hopefully so. Hopefully there's a cure. Hopefully they can find things to treat this to where people aren't dying, and then they can open things back up. And I'd love to go to the Philippines in November. That's the plan, but I don't know if it's going to come through. But as soon as we can come, we're definitely coming. I want to see the family, the friends, and I definitely want to make new friends. And there's a few other things I need to do. But anyway, those are my thoughts, feelings on the hose situation. What's your thoughts, feelings on the situation? Let me know what I should be reacting to next down below in the comment section. Definitely leave me a comment. I love reading them. And I just wish you the safety. I wish you the best. And I'll see you in the next reaction. Don't forget to spread that peace, that love, that happiness. And I'll see you next time. Peace.